Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to prepare and wrap everything up from 1 week of league. So all the scores are typed in. We now have overall standings over here. As you can see, this team is in first, this team is in second. See how many points they have. This is what place they're in. You print this out and put it in their box. So next week, before they come out, we'll put this out so everyone can see it. And these are the matchups for next week. Hit print right here. So you print that up. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to set up the scorecards for next week. How do you do that? You go to this, you go to next event. All right. So this is match number 1. So this would be a scorecard. It's important that you always put player A on top. Player B would be second. This team, player A, player B. To give this a little more clarity, if you look at this, player A is here, Tupac. Player B is Andre. Here we've got Pete as player A, player B. So it should look like this. Tupac on top here is player A. Why does that matter? Because you see his handicap is 0. So the lower handicap goes on top. Put their handicap down here, circle it. My handwriting leaves a lot to be desired. Hopefully you have better penmanship than I do. Here Young has a handicap of 7, so he goes under Tupac here. He gets a 7. Next, Pete Moore, 7. Travis Scott, 8. So when the scoring occurs, basically you have this guy playing this guy playing that guy in the head-to-head. If you reverse these, the guys in the league, it's just a small little thing, but they'll flip out. They'll say, "Why is he on top?" Da 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 da. That's not who I'm playing, and you won't know what they mean. That's what they're referring to. Player A with the lowest handicap goes on top. Player B with the higher handicap goes below player B. So player A, player B for one team, player A, player B for the other team. Very easy. Now the scorecards, you do that for all the scorecards. You put that into their box, and next week when we need it, the standings will be ready and the scorecards will be already. It'll be good to go for next week.